Last week's episode was the map, 4 real ways people make money with AI. This week we build the first one, end to end, the content services business. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact stack, the offer, the workflow, and the script for landing your first client. And stick around for step 5 because there's a pricing mistake that quietly kills most first deals. I'll show you how to dodge it. Ground rules, 30 seconds. Every tool in this video has a full written review on predrop.ai. We test this stuff. It's literally the job. The links below are affiliate links. They cost you nothing, and they're why this course is free. And you will not hear me promise you an income number, because anyone who does is selling you something. Fair? Let's build. Step 1. And it's not pick a niche, it's pick an outcome. Nobody buys AI content. They buy outcomes. 8 blog posts a month that bring in local customers. A weekly email their customers actually open. Product descriptions for 400 SKUs by Friday. Pick one deliverable for one kind of business. Plumbers, dentists, Shopify stores, whoever you can talk to. A specific offer gets a specific yes. I do AI content gets you ghosted. Step 2. The stack. 3 tools, all lifetime deals. You buy them once and every client after that is margin. Prompt Builder is the foundation. For every client, you build a voice profile, a refined prompt that captures how they talk, what they sell, what they never say. It adapts each prompt across 9 different models. Client 2 costs you a copy-paste. This is the tool that turns I write with AI into a repeatable production system, and the reviewed version is linked below. One minimum AI is your drafting engine. Different jobs want different models. One's better at outlines, another at rewrites, another at images for the post. Instead of 4 subscriptions, it's every major model on one credit pool, and unused credits roll over. When you're drafting for clients daily, that's the whole AI bill handled. And CopyMail is the upsell. Every content client eventually asks, "Can you do our newsletter?" And the honest answer becomes yes, because you've got 22,000 templates that render correctly everywhere. Even Outlook. Agencies charge hundreds per template. Yours are a one-time cost. One newsletter retainer can pay for this entire stack. Step 3. The workflow, because the money is in the system, not the typing. The assembly line, intake call, build the voice profile and prompt builder, batch draft the whole month's content in one sitting through one minimum AI, then the step that actually earns the fee, your human pass. Fact check it, cut the fluff, make it sound like a person. AI drafts, you edit, client ships. Once the library exists, a client is about 2 focused hours a week. That's how one person runs 10 clients without dying. Everything I just showed you is linked below with our full reviews. If you're gonna build this, going through those links is what keeps these videos coming. Step 4. Client 1, the script. Forget cold pitch templates. List 10 businesses in your chosen category that you can actually reach. Local counts double. Take one piece of their existing content, a homepage paragraph, a dead blog, a flyer. Rewrite it properly with your new stack. Then send them both versions side by side with one line. I did this in an hour. I can do your whole month for a flat rate. Want the details? You're not selling AI. You're showing them their own business, but better. Somebody says yes. Step 5, the one I promised you, the pricing mistake that kills first deals. Here it is, charging hourly. The moment you sell hours, your efficiency works against you. The faster your stack gets, the less you make. Sell the package instead. 8 posts, 1 newsletter, flat monthly rate, fixed scope and writing. An anchor against the real alternative. A content agency retainer runs 4 figures a month. You, with a stack you own outright and near 0 monthly costs, can undercut them and still keep margins an agency would kill for. That margin only works because the stack was bought once. That's the whole game. That's path 1. Built. Pick an outcome, Buy the stack once, run the assembly line, pitch with a before and after, and price the package, never the hour. Every tool is linked below with our written review, and using those links is what keeps this course free. New deals hit predrop.ai every Tuesday and Thursday. Next week, Path 2. The SEO and niche site playbook, the slow one that builds an asset you own. Subscribe so it lands in your feed, and go send that first pitch.